Hello, welcome on this automation of Azip. I hope that you are well. Today, I will make another example how to use function predefined function interface, but with our class employee. Okay? So I make two examples. My first example will be first requirement. I want to calculate the sum of all the salaries for my employees. Okay? To get the company expense about the salaries. So simple like this. So to achieve this, I will create function. Okay? Also, I will add this code, part of code, in the previous project when I have created about predicate. To not create against to create again the employees class, to define equals, etc., etc. Okay? So I will add all this bunch of code in the previous project. So I have function. What I will give him here as input parameters, the list of employee. Okay, and the return type will be an object of will be double. Okay, to get the sum of all salaries. F equal. Here what I will do. I will give him input. It is the list, simple arrow. I will open curly braces. And I will initialize any variable, double, total salaries equals 0. It starts from 0. And I will make for loop for employee E or MP to point for my list. What I will do, total equal total plus I dot salary. Okay? When I finish, I may return total. So simple like this. After I make system.out.println f.apply with my list that I have created before. Okay? So let's go to the computer to see what we got, and I will come back to make second example with same class employees. So let's go. So now I will create a function to calculate the sum of the salaries for my employees. So let's make this function, okay, with and here I give him the list of employee, and here it returns a double. Okay, function equal list, so list, simple arrow, and I open curly braces. I need them. So what I have initialized double variable total equal from 0, and here I will make for loop for employee to point from the list. Here what I will do, total equal total plus employee dot salary. Where is it? What I have called him? Where is it? What is the name? It is salary. Salary. So simple like this. Okay. After this, here what I will do, return total. Okay. Of course. This one, and I will import the function. Now I will here I put total of salaries, salary for employees for the employees. Here, what I will do, system.out.println f.apply with my list. So let's see what we got here. As you can see, here is the total or the sum of the whole salary. Okay, let's continue now. Now what I want to make or to add a bonus for the employees that have salaries less than 1,700 euros. Okay, here is my requirement. And to achieve this, here I will use predicate and function. That's what I want to do to show you that both these two predefined function interfaces in the same example. And after you will continue, you can make more advanced example, inshallah. Okay? So, here, I have, I think, in the previous example about predicate, I have created the first predicate to get or to check if the salary, the employee has a salary less than 1,700 euros. I think, I don't remember, but I will see after the project. If we don't have this predefined function, this predicate, I will create them again. So it's so simple. We have predicate, we give him an employee, P equal E, simple arrow, E dot salary less than 1,700 euros. Okay, that's our predicate. If we have it, good. If we don't have it, we write it again. No problem. So now I will create my function to add the bonus. It's so simple also. Function is employee, we give him employee, and I will do double. Okay? F equal simple arrow, employee, simple arrow, employee dot salary equal employee dot salary plus, for example, 500 euro. For example, it's my bonus. Okay? Now I will call the both function and predicate. For which one I will add the bonus? I won't. I must call them. So I will create a new list to just display which employees I have added them the bonus. Okay, so simple like this. So I will create new list of employees, list 2 equal new array list for employees, new array list, sorry. And now I will make for loop with my first list. So for employee 2 point for my list, previous list, initial list. And then I will check. I will use my predicate. If p.test, my employee, it means his salary or her salary is less than 1,700 euros. Here what I will do, open curly braces, I will call my function. Function dot apply for with this employee. Okay, after this I will add this employee to my new list. So list 2 dot added this employee. Okay, when I finish, make system.out.println for the list 2. It's so simple like this. Okay, have you understood? So I have created predicate to check which employees has the salary less than 1,700 euro, and also I have created function to add the bonus for my salary that respect the previous condition. Okay, so I can predicate the first one. After this, I will apply with my function. Okay, so let's jump to the computer now to execute this program. Okay, and I will come back to finish the video. So let's go. Now what I want? I want to add bonus, for example, as I said, 500 euros to each employee that has salary less than 1,700 euro. Okay, so to achieve this, I want to check which salary have this salary. So which employees will have this salary. I think I have predicate. I have do it before. It is, yes, this one, P3. Where is it? Okay, so I don't rewrite it. I will use it, but I will create function to add the bonus function. Here, what I will give him? I will give him an employee. Okay, but I will return employee. I don't know what I have said in the explanation. I don't remember. It's an employee here. Okay, maybe I have said double or anything. So it's an employee. I will return an employee. Yeah. So after this, F2, I will give him an employee, simple arrow, and I will open curly braces. So employee dot salary equal employee dot salary plus 500 euros, and it return the employee. Okay, that's our first step. Second thing, I have said I will create a new list to add all these employee. So list of employee list 2 equal new array list. Good. Okay, employee. And here now I will make my for loop. So for employee emp e 2 point, make employee like this. So simple. From the list, my initial list, and here what I will do, I will check. I will check if P3, I said P3, it's a check. Test employee. If that is the case, so here I will add him the bonus. To do this, what I will do, F2 dot apply for the employee. Okay, and here I just make list 2 dot added employee. Okay, and finally here I will just display this list. So list 2. Let's see the execution. And so what I have, this is total. Okay, I have Azzdin, I will check it, and also Karim. Okay, so let's see how many Azzdin are in previews. Yes, as you can see, it is less. Karim also less. Do you see? I've added them the numbers. I got the new salary. So now I have finished this different example, and we start new thing about function in next topic, inshallah. I hope that you have understand how to use the function predefined functional interface. Only one or with predicate, with another thing we see after this. If that's the case, practice. I repeat, practice to be familiar, okay, and more comfortable. Like this video, please subscribe to my channel to follow all this course and another for the futures. Share with your friends. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.